My fellow wives of Omadu. This is over 1 week since the Igwe locked up our husbands in the palace cell. Including my own husband, his in-law. We have all begged him. We have pleaded, even that of the Queen Mother. But he has refused to answer us. I want to ask you one question. Should we fold our hands and watch that horrible and oppressive king humiliate and maltreat our husbands in this cruel manner? No! Then, this is the time. This is time for us to stand for justice and freedom, without favor nor fear. If you know you are in support of what I have just said, raise up your hand.
What the hell is wrong with you? You want to fall down the gate?
We want you to release our husbands!
What?
We want you to release our husbands!
What the hell did you say?
We want you to release our husbands!
Oh, I'm sorry. You're here to get your husbands, right?
Yes! Release our husbands!
Oh, my apologies. I feel like crying right now. Don't worry, let me get your husbands for you, alright? We'll get the husbands for them. Alright, thank you very much. Just feel free. Feel free. Do you want something to drink?
No! We need our husbands!
I could give you a bottle of Coke.
We need our husbands! No!
We need our husbands! Come get your husbands! Bitches.
Son, what is the problem between you and the women? What is it? Can someone talk to me? What is going on?
Your Majesty, the women were protesting for the release of their husbands.
Oh, I see. Ikenna, why? Why? I have begged you several times to release these elders, let them go back to their home. But you wouldn't listen. I beg you again, please go and free them. Let them go. You must free them, please. Sir, violence and tyranny are not a symbol of a great leader. It's not. Your father was a great king, loved, feared and respected by all. And you must tread that path. Yes. I know you are embittered as a result of that masquerade incident. But you must let go. Yes. Forgiveness does not make you a weakling, but brave. Please, my son, free them, let them go. The great lion the heartbeat of Amago, the true son of his father. Ikoha. Onyochi bialowanochi.
That's enough, Mom. That's enough. That's enough. Yo, Magnus.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go free them old fools, man. Most especially, what's his name again?
Oh no.
Oh no, woo. Go free them, man. Get out of here.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I love you.
You good? Let's go.
Dear Rastafari, leave it, leave it, leave it. One day.
Okoronta. Okoronta!
Yes, my lady.
Why did it take you so long to answer my call?
I didn't know you were calling me.
Liar, how would you know? How would you know? When all your mind is centered on how you will shamelessly gallivant the whole of Amago with a white lady. Your king's wife, Okoronta. It's a sacrilege!
Oh, was that why you sent those boys to disguise as masquerades and attack the queen and I? You think I don't know you sent them?
Well, it's very good, you know. It's just a warning for both of you to stay away from each other. Stop defiling our land, Okoronta. Find your own wife and leave another man's wife alone. It's a sacrilege.
It's also a sacrilege to abandon the man who gave you all his heart. For another man just because of royalty and affluence. You see? Now you're getting jealous.
Jealous of who? You or the white pig? I can never be jealous of both of you.
Then stop bothering yourself. Please. As you can see, I was on my way before you stopped me. Would you respect my lady? Can I leave now?
How dare you walk out on the queen? I am the queen of Amago, and it's a dishonor to royalty for you to walk out on me. It attracts punishment.
If royal principles include stopping people on the road from attending to their needs, then ready to go to it. Goodbye, my lady.
Okoronta! 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 Maybe I was too harsh. I still love him. No, I don't. He's such a fool. He should go to hell.
You know you're such an African beauty, right? You're so pretty and sexy. That's why I love you.
Thank you so much. I'm flattered, my king.
No, you don't have to be. I'm saying the truth. You're sexy. You turn me on.
Thank you. My king.
Yeah.
I need an errand boy.
An errand boy?
Yes.
What you need that for? You have lots of maidens around at your command. You know, what you need an errand boy for?
A whole lot, my king. The maidens are becoming too lazy and lousy. Moreover, they attend to your white lady too. So I need someone that will concentrate on me. And me alone. Please.
Alright, I'll try to arrange that tomorrow.
But I already have someone in mind.
Someone in mind?
Yes.
Who's that?
Okoro Bobo, the guitar boy.
The village local entertainer?
Yes.
What you doing that boy for?
Because he's the perfect person for the job. See, he's the person that can do what I want him to do and also entertain us with his melodious song. Do you understand? I know you will like it, please.
He's a perfect person to help you out. That 2-inch little man.
Please, my king, don't say
it's all right.
Please.
It's okay. I'm just wondering why you want him for so.
Okay, thank you.
It's all right. So, tell me, can we get down to business now?
Yes.
You know I like you from the back, right? Show me that.
Oibo, this is Achigolo in a reggae style. Naba, enago, naba, enago, nago, enaba, nago, enaba. Anya chagalibo, babara mego. Anya chagalibo, babara mego. Anya chagalibo, babara mego. Anya chag, babara mego. Anya chag, babara mego. Anya chagalibo, babara mego. Anya chag, I sing you babara mego. He get bara matlago, babara mego. He get bara machikoro, babara mego. He get bara megedege, babara mego. Asinge babara mego. Onyaja beribo babara mego. Onyaja.
Okoro, what is pursuing you? Huh? Why are you running?
Mama, the palace guards.
What do they want?
Under the command of King Omenuko II of Amagu, you have to follow us right away to the palace, where you have been employed as a palace errand boy.
The palace?
Yes.
No, I can't go. I can't leave my mother.
You have no choice, Okoro.
You have to come with us now.
No, he doesn't want to go now. Go and beg Dikeh for me. Oh. Tell Dikeh that he's my only eyes and my only son. That he cannot go and leave me alone. Please beg Dikeh for me. I can't live without him.
No one disobeys the king's rules. Okoro, you have only a few minutes left.
I can't leave my blind mother. I can't leave her.
I said, let's go.
No, I can't leave my blind mother.
Leave my son. Leave my son.
Let's go.
That's my son. Give me my son.
Mama!
Let's go.
Mama!
Let's go.
Mama! I can't leave my mother. Mama!
Let's go.
Mama!
Okoro Bonbon, you're here.
Yes, my lady.
Wait, who asked you to clean the sitting room?
Queen Ada, my lady. My lady, I'm not an employee in the palace. I work as a maid. So this is one of my duties.
That's unfair. You can't do this. Please stop.
He dare not stop. I said he dare not.
Why did you make him do that? Can't one of the numerous maidens in the palace do that?
Well, if you must know, it is duty henceforth and there's nothing you can do to dispute that. Hey you, get back to work.
Stop.
I said get back to work. Don't dare me, Tatiana. Get back to work!
Listen, you cannot treat him like your slave. He is a man.
Man indeed, I knew it. Tatiana, I knew it's going to hurt you to your bone marrow to watch your local sugar boy, or should I say lover, turned into a common house help. But you know what? You have to accept this development because there is nothing you or anyone can do about it.
Jeez. What are you talking about? You bitch!
Did you just call me a bitch? No, a bitch. I will kill you. I will kill you. Oh, you're attacking.
No mistakes.
What the fuck did I say?
No mistakes.
I can't hear
No mistakes.
you. Good. I'll call you. Let's roll.
You can be so mean.
How do you mean?
So this is what you have subjected Okoro Bobo to. Your laundry man. That serves him right. Him and his white lady. He should consider himself lucky for laying his filthy hands on the garment of the queen. But seriously,
I think you should open up and tell him that you're still in love with him. That's subjecting him to this.
Michon, don't even talk like that. Listen, I wouldn't let you walk into my palace and talk to me anyhow. If you don't have anything reasonable to say, suggest you walk out. Don't even incur the wrath of the queen. You can't come to my palace and talk to me anyhow. I don't like it.
I'm sorry, ma. Are we no friends again? Why your blood they hot?
We are friends, but why are you talking like that? Don't forget, I am the queen.
Yes, your majesty.
Please be fast with the cloth.
Welcome, my king.
Well, boom. Sure.
Welcome, my prince.
Shut up.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Hey!
The palace satellites. What have you seen this time around?
Now, wow. Don't tell me you have not noticed the kind of Krunkere movements the king, Magnus and Wokemba has been making these days. Kafasi and Mialeka. Their way is not genuine.
Ijoma, how many times did I call you? You better watch your mouth or else it will land you into serious trouble. Nonsense.
My lady.
How are you today?
I'm fine, my lady.
But you've been working all day. You need a break.
No, my lady. Queen Ada said I must finish with the car because she wants to use it.
When would she ever give you a break? Why does she hate you so much?
I don't know, my lady. Never mind. I'll soon be through.
No. I think I will ask one of the palace guards to do this.
No, my lady. That will bring problem for me. I know you're missing my entertainment and company. Don't worry, I will soon finish and I will come and entertain you.
Let me help you.
No, my lady. It is a taboo for a queen to do such job.
Don't worry, it's fun for me. This one?
Yes, good. Good, my lady.
Ooh.
Coming.
Lady said that you sent for me.
Yes. Please, I want you to help me rub this cream on my back.
Lady, it's a taboo for my palms to grease the body of the queen. Please, I can't do that.
Do you know that wish to be punished for defiling the queen's order? It's an order, Okoro. You have to do it now. Rub my back. Bring your hand. My back, my shoulder, my leg, everywhere. Please, make love to me.
Ada, stop.
Please.
Ada, stop.
Please.
Stop it. It's a sin for me to sleep with another person.
I missed you. Just this once.
Stop. Stop. I can't. Stop.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Thank God you're here. This boy wanted to rape me. He wants to rape me. I told him I'm someone's wife, but he wouldn't listen to me. Touching me all over my body.
What the hell is going on here? Yo, nigga, where you going? Are you trying to crawl out or something? Motherfucker. What are you trying to do, man? I saw you touching my wife, and right now you want to crawl out like a rat, right? Get on your fucking knees. Nigga, show me your head. Nigga, show me your head. What the hell you gonna do with that? Motherfucker.
Okonta here has committed a great abomination against this kingdom.
And he is even denying it. Even when he was caught on the act by the king himself. And also committing more crime by indirectly accusing the king and the queen of being liars. Yes, he must pay for his sins.
Old man, I don't need words, man. I need actions. Alright? God! Take this little man into the forest and shoot him. Kill him.
With due respect, Your Highness, I do not wish to interfere into your orders, but I wish to remind you that here in Amago, we have rules and tradition guiding us, which was established by our ancestors. And no one has violated such tradition, not even your father, nor the kings before him. I want to plead that Okoronta here be ostracized, not killed, in respect of our tradition. Have I spoken your minds?
No. But that's not enough punishment for what he's done.
Mercy, Your Highness. You see, our tradition must be saved in a situation like this. Please, have mercy.
Mercy, yeah. Mercy. Yo, God.
Your Highness.
You heard them. Lock the little man up, alright? Until I decide what to do with him. And make sure you don't give him food to eat. Take him away. This meeting is over, man. You guys can go home. I said go home, man. Nigga, shut my door, man, when you get out. I'll fucking blow your brains off. You understand that?
Yes, Your Highness.
If you make a mistake, I'll fucking cut your balls off. You understand that?
Yes, Your Highness.
Alright, let's cheers. Cheers to success.
Mukemba, I am afraid.
Afraid of what?
The risk His Highness is luring us into by using us to run his drug cartels in this kingdom. You and I know the amount of danger we have encountered so far in the course of these illegal deals. Thank God we overcame after all.
That is it, Magnus. We overcame, and we will still overcome.
See, Mukemba, the luck star does not appear in the sky all night. We might be lucky in the past, but we cannot continue to be lucky.
Then wait until this last deal is done. After he establishes us, we'll find our way. That means we'll quit.
Eh? Do you think he will let us walk away with all that money? Huh?
Magnus, we won't let him know about this. We will play smarter. Maybe after the deal, find our way to a country where he won't know our whereabouts.
Do you think that will work?
Magnus, trust me, you don't have to worry. It has already worked.
Okay, if you say so.
Hey, finally, the deal is done.
It's done.
$3 million cash.
See, let me tell you, as soon as His Highness gives us our own part of the money, we are made men. Who can buy a bola toto? My man.
Indeed. So you see, Magnus, what I have been telling you, Magnus. Sometimes when you just have to be very
You said no mistakes, Your Highness.
So where the fuck is my money?
Mukemba has made away with the money.
What the fuck are you talking about?
He drugged my wine with sleeping pills. I slept off, and when I woke up, he has left with the money. No need for that, Your Highness. His number is switched off. I'm sorry, boss.
I cannot find my money. I cannot find... What's his name again?
Mukemba.
Mukemba? Okay, maybe it's time to find my gun. Where the fuck is my money?
Hey, Your Highness. Your Highness, please. Please, I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Where the fuck is my money?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I have no idea. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Where the fuck is my money?
I have no idea, Your Highness. I have no idea.
Jesus.
Your Highness, I'm sorry.
Son, what are you doing with a gun? Please, put it down. Put it down! My goodness. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.
Magnus, what did you do?
Your Majesty, I forgot to run the errand he sent me. So he became angry.
You have to be very careful. You know the king can be temperamental.
I promise to get you out of here. I believed you did not do it.
Thank you for believing in me.
My lady, your time is up. You know I violated the king's rule by letting you see him, and more especially, bringing him food to him. Should the king find out, I will be in serious trouble. Please, may you leave now, my lady.
Okay. I will see you tomorrow.
Thank you, my lady.
What the hell's going on, man? How can I lose $3 million, man? That's a lot of money, man. What the fuck is wrong with these dudes, man? What the hell do I tell the bank? All the loan and shit? Fuck! I'm fucking dead, yo.
We need to talk.
What did you say?
We need to talk.
Talk about what?
The innocent man you locked up in a cell.
Tatiana, get the hell out of my room before I do something stupid.
Not till you get him out.
Your Highness, as you know, the time for you to pay the loan you took from our bank is overdue. But Golden Bank is willing to give you the grace of 2 months more to clear the loan, as a consideration for your late father's outstanding relationship with Golden Bank. However, if after 2 months the loan is not paid, I'm afraid to inform the Golden Bank is going to take a legal action, which is confiscating all landed properties you placed as collateral for the loan, which includes this building.
Yo, are you trying to say y'all can give me some time?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Well,
on behalf of Golden Bank PLC, we thank you for banking with us. I will be on my way, Your Highness.
Who is this, son?
Who that?
You heard me.
Oh, you mean that dude? That was actually my pastor. We were talking about Jesus Christ and his angels before you.
You are lying! You are lying because I heard everything! Son, why? How could you take such huge amount of money from the bank without my knowledge? How could you do a thing like that? Placing your father's landed property, including this palace, as collateral. Jesus Christ! What did
business with the money.
Business! Business! What other business do you do apart from your father's company that you are running?
Mom, take it easy on me, yo. I'm a business tycoon and you know that. I know how to handle my stuff. Take a chill pill, Mom.
Make sure you return that money before it's too late.
Mom, you trying to blind me, man. Alright, Mom, I'm gonna do that. That's what's up, man. I need crack. I want some crack. You be telling good shit about some.
What a critical situation. I've lost all the properties I inherited from my father to that banker. No money in all the bank accounts. I'm finished. What do? How do I face my mother and my entire subject? Soon the bank will come to evacuate this place. I must act fast before it's too late. I have to source for money.
$20, man. Why don't you come up on the price, man? Those cars are expensive. I expect you to do something better, man. Listen, you know my situation, man. I'm out of stuff, man. I need to buy some more stuff. I need money for my trip. You're the only person who can help me, man. Nigga, do something better, man.
You see, apart from our business relationship, you have been a very good friend of mine. But as you can see, right now, things are very tight, if you know what I mean. If I have more money, I won't hesitate to double it for you. Trust me.
What the hell do I do? How do I get some money? That's what's up.
I will prepare the agreement papers. As soon as you sign, I will pay you in cash for the cars. Deal?
All right, deal. Well, man, I expected you to do something better, man.
Hey, Your Highness. Yeah. See, if you want to make some money, I mean real money, there's this business I will introduce you to.
What kind of business, man?
Hey, can you steal the oracle from the shrine?
Oracle? Shrine? Nigga, what shrine, man?
Your kingdom. Can you do that?
My kingdom? What for?
See, those things worth a hell of money. I have friends all over the world, white men who are willing to pay any amount of money just to lay their hands on that shit. Feel me?
Just an oracle? When I steal the oracle, I'm gonna be making a lot of money? Is that what you mean?
For real.
Oh, all right. You want me to steal it?
I'm dead serious. But remember, at the end of the deal, I will get my own cut.
Nigga, I'm gonna steal that shit, man. As long as I'm gonna get some money, man.
So we have a deal then?
That's what's up, bro.
Yeah.
I got it.
What?
What kind of oracle, man?
Man, fuck that shit. I'll send my guys over to pick up the cars. All right.
Who are you people?
Hey, I want to see my son Okoronta. Okoronta have not visited me in a long time. So I want to see him because I have a feeling that all is not well.
I'm sorry, Ma, you can't see him.
Hey, why can't I see my own son? Okoronta is my son, you know.
See, Ma, your son committed a sacrilege and has been locked up in the palace cell. According to the king's order, no one is allowed to see him.
Locked up? Because let me see my son and see what is happening. Let him tell me what happened.
That won't be necessary, ma. Boy, take her away.
Sorry, I'm not going anywhere until I see my son.
Mama, let's go.
No,
Mama,
no.
Let's go.
We can't people
Mama,
give
let's
me.
go
No,
now.
no, I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here until I see.
Go.
I know.
Let's go.
I will stay here.
Stand up, man. You don't need to lie down here. Mama.
We can't people. We can't people.
Let's go.
Stop! I said stop. Why are you pushing her?
My lady, she said she's looking for Okoronta the prisoner. And I told her that the king ordered us
Now
not...
let her in to see her son.
That's my prince's wife.
The prince's wife? No. I know you're innocent. I know the courts will soon vindicate you. And they will prove your innocence. Okay? No. Don't cry, you. Oh. Okay.
Mama. Mama. I want you to take care of yourself. Like you said, I am innocent. I will soon be free.
Yes.
Mama, I want you to start going now before the king comes in.
Hey, I want to stay with you. I want to stay with you.
No, Mama, you can't stay with me.
Why can't I stay with you?
No, Mama, you can't stay with me.
Oh. Then we will leave you, no? I will come again. Oh.
Mama, please take care of yourself. I want you to take care of yourself. Don't worry about me. I will soon be free.
But I will come and bring you out myself.
Don't worry, Mama. Mama, please start going now.
Can someone tell me where are the cars in this palace?
Your Highness came in the morning with some people and they drove out with all the cars.
Why? Why would you do a thing like that? Why?
I don't know, Your Majesty.
Hey, Mom.
Son?
Yes, Mom?
I want you to tell me where are the cars in this palace gone to?
Oh, the cars, right? I took them for servicing.
Servicing?
Yeah, yes, Mom, I did.
Is anything wrong with any of them?
That's the point I'm trying to make, Mom. In Nigeria, you don't take cars for servicing. You don't have to wait for a car to get bad before you get them repaired. That's what I'm trying to say, Mom. It's all right. I'm going to bring your car back. I'm sure you're trying to go out, right? Come here. Mom, you can make use of this one. It's a Peugeot, and it's got a leather seat. It's a strong car. Peugeot's a strong car. What are you doing?
You know better. What do you want?
All right, get ready. We're leaving the country soon.
Why did you suddenly change your mind?
Why did you suddenly change your mind? Isn't that what you've always wanted?
But not in such a hurry.
Listen, white girl, get ready. I'm taking you back.
Wait. What about your prisoner, Okoro? Your prisoner, Okoro Bom Bom.
Oh, Okoro Bom Bom. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. You may enter.
You sent for me, Your Highness.
Fuck you. How's my little cockroach doing?
He is very ill, Your Highness. Perhaps from the starvation.
Oh, I see.
Yes, Your Highness.
I want him killed tomorrow. In other words, I want him executed tomorrow. I want that man to watch him die. What's his name again?
Ichiono.
Oh, that's what's up. No mistakes, what I said.
No mistakes.
That's what's up. Get the fuck out.
As it pleases Your Highness.
100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York. New York. Can't take shit for granted, cause life is too short. Motherfucker, man, I'm fucking high, man. Shit. Fuck the shit.
My son, I heard you're planning to leave. Is that true?
Mom, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just trying to take a little business trip. That's what's up.
Because I was wondering why you would do a thing like that without telling me.
Come on, Mom. I'm not gonna leave without telling you, man. You're my mama. I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, Mom, but I'm leaving never to return here. To hell with the throne. You know I can't stand your tears when you finally realize you've lost all the properties Father left because of me. I'm sorry, Mom. Please forgive me if you do find out.
Son? Son?
Yo, Mama, what's up with you, man?
What about the bank loan? Have you paid them?
Oh, the bank. Yeah, I did. I was gonna tell you about it, but I did, yeah. I took care of that, Mom.
Okay. And the cars that you sent for servicing, what about them?
Oh, the cars, right? They're coming tomorrow, man. Trust me, they're gonna bring them tomorrow. They're perfectly in good shape, man. Trust me.
It's okay. I'm going to my room. Just have to see you. Take care of yourself. Good night.
Fuck the throne, man. I don't give a shit about the throne. I don't want to be king. I'm already king of crack and cocaine. That's what's up. Hey, nigga, pick up your call, man. Yo, Mr. Anderson, can you hear me? No, listen to me. Listen to me. What I'm trying to say is this. What you're offering is not good enough. If you don't come up with something better, I'm gonna take other offers. Cause that shit is worth $100,000, man. No, Mr. Anderson, we're talking about an oracle from a shrine, man. We're talking about trafficking that shit into the United States. Don't act like you don't know what that shit is. That's a lot of risk on my own part. Listen, the bottom line is this. If you don't come up with something better, I'm gonna take other offers because I have them. Yeah, I know. I can understand. Just come up with something better, man. That shit is risky, man. We're talking about a shrine, man.
The king. Amagwe! No! Let the mama say this. Let the mama say this. Let the mama say this.
I am stuck here! I am stuck here! I am stuck here! I cannot move! Oh! I am stuck here! I cannot move!
Hunter, what is it? And why are you knocking at the royal gate this early morning?
I need to see the queen mother now.
What for?
This is no time for questions and answers. I need to see the queen. It is very urgent.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay.
Come on, follow me.
May I know why you want to see me?
My lady, a violent hurricane is threatening to uproot the Iroko tree.
Shut up. Spare me that your stupid riddle. Tell me why you are here or you face the consequences.
Your Majesty, His Majesty the King is trapped at the Ogogo Shrine.
What?
With the oracle in his hand.
This is an expensive joke and it may land you into a serious trouble.
Your Majesty, I am certain. I only came to inform you. I have equally informed the Ogogo chief priest. Please, can I take my leave now?
What? My son? Guards! Guards!
I'm sorry, I don't want crack no more. I know I messed up, but I'm not gonna do it again. Oh.
Please, you have to save him. Save the king. Save my son, please. I beg you.
Silence, Your Majesty. He deserves no sympathy for this sacrilegious act. Look, 6 fat rams, 6 tubers of yam, 4 colanos, and a male ego. All this must be sacrificed to Ogugu for appeasement before Ogugu will free him from this bondage.
I will bring it. I will bring it. I will get them now for the sacrifice. I'll bring it. I'll bring it.
No time left.
I don't want crack no more. Get me out of here.
Hey. Ogugu.
What's wrong? He's still abnormal.
Yes. So shall he remain for 3 days and 3 nights until Ogugu's spell finally leaves him.
Wonders. What baffles me is what His Highness wishes to do with Dora.
Selfish desire, greed for wealth. My people of Amago, atrocities and sacrileges committed in this land in the past is like a very strong, unpleasant smell, just like a stench covering the whole air. Evil deeds have been sealed and hidden from the mothers, but the gods who see beyond the mothers have seen all those atrocities committed, and the ones that, if not perfected, could incur their wrath. The gods have been silent for long, but today is the hour of truth and justice, the hour of reckoning, the day of revelation.
Speak. Strategy was wrong.
Don't be surprised for what you hear today.
Speak, the eye of the gods. Speak, the mouthpiece of hope.
Yes. He is not the king.
Huh? I forbid you, Ezemo. How dare you speak such blasphemy against the king?
And only as a woman. Don't be quick to rant like a roasting breadfruit on the fire. Because only you and I know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you are talking about. I don't know what you are talking. Ezemo, I suspect you are up to some mischief. But I command you this minute to apologize to the king. I know my son committed an abomination against Obubu. Yes, but no man, not even you, have the power to deprive him of his kingship.
Oga, afternoon lies. You lied, woman. How long shall you deceive your subject and leave them wallowing in emptiness? How long shall you watch Amago wrapped in the clouds of impurities and lawlessness? How long?
Watch your mouth.
You have not seen anything yet. Much has been breathing, and you have much to explain. Oh no 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 no! Only look in Naija yet. Oh now we are really. Oh now we are really. Kanji, Akadi Kanji, Ukuji Kanji, Akadi Kanji. Step on it if you are as innocent as you appear before Amago community.
I forbid you, Ezemo!
Your Majesty, please step on the footmat of truth. Prove that you are innocent. That is the only way Ogugu's sword of justice will rise against any mouth that has spoken against you.
I shall step on the mat of truth. But if I am innocent of this accusation, Ezemo shall be put to death.
Obukwa,
that shall be your punishment.
Obukwa.
It was separate years back when I could not have a child for my husband, and I was desperate. I was desperate for an heir to the throne.
Yourself to stupor every night before you go to sleep.
Sleep? Did you just say sleep? Slumber has long abandoned me. Sorrow and anguish has become the very companion to my sleepless nights. Allow me to drink away my agony. I could still away some little sleep.
My husband, I understand your plight. Our plight. Drinking excessively will not even bring a solution to our problem. Instead, it will endanger your health, our chances. My husband, the gods are not asleep. They will soon bless us. They will give us a male child and heir to the throne.
I've heard enough of those consoling words. They're like song I listen to every day and night. I only wish they are a remedy to our childlessness.
Patience. My husband, patience and hope is what we need now.
Patience. Patience and hope.
Yes.
For how long?
When will this miracle happen? When will this miracle happen? Is it when you cross your menopause? Patience. Time has no patience, my dear.
Don't drink again. It's okay. Let's go to bed.
Madam, go, I will join you.
No, I insist. Let's go.
My lady, I feel so guilty committing this illicit act. How can I continuously feeding on the king's meal? A good man who has been kind and generous to me for my services to his reign. And you know, adultery is a crime with death punishment. Should we be caught, you and I know the consequences. We have to stop, honestly. We have to stop.
I understand your fears. But remember, we were in love before I married the king. Okay, I agreed. We have to stop. But I must become pregnant first to have an heir to the throne. It's obvious that the king is impotent and he has been eaten up with his excess alcoholic habit. Like a vegetable that hardly made love to me. So please, you are my only hope to prove my womanhood. My only hope of an heir. So please, my love, I'm begging you. I'm really begging you. Save a helpless woman. You know, the future of this kingdom lies in this relationship. It's just for a while, my love. My love, it's just for a while. I need to be all over.
Oh, Gugu!
How did I? Lord, Your Highness.
How did I?
Oh, Your Highness, you came in here last night and you...
And what? No, listen. I was drunk. Whatever that happened last night did not happen. Did you understand? And let no ear hear about this. Did you get me?
Yes, Your Highness.
My wife. All the excitement above.
I'm so happy.
Tell me the good news that has visited my palace.
Honey, God has really wiped away your tears.
Wipe my tears? How do you mean?
You know, today I went to the hospital. I'm so happy.
Yes. What happened?
And you now told me that I'm pregnant.
What?
Yes.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Come. You're pregnant.
Yeah.
You're pregnant. Finally.
Yeah,
The son of victory has shone upon me and my kingdom. Hi. Wow. This is good news. This is good news. I love you.
Just take it easy.
At last, the gods have remembered my kingdom. Me and my kingdom. May the God be exalted. Yes.
Your Majesty, you sent for me. Yeah. I want you to go assemble all the medians. Tell them that I want to see them here. Go. I give you 3 minutes to tell me who is responsible for this pregnancy, or I'll skin you alive. Talk, you ingrate. I took you in. After all my generosity and my kindness, you went ahead, threw your body cheaply to all these stupid men of Amagu. Talk now, I'll skin you alive. Talk! Who? Wait, I said who? Come and talk! Sit down. Is Your Highness? What? Yes, shut up! How dare you lie against Your Highness? My husband. I'm not lying. He came to my room. I'm not lying, I'm sorry. You're a liar. How can you tell me that you've not slept with another man after that time? Not ever since I started working in this palace. Let Ogugu bear me witness. Now, get out! Leave my presence. Leave!
How can? I thought he's important. 6 years of marriage to him, not even a child. No, a common palace medium is pregnant for him. Why I'm carrying another man's child? A child formed by sacrilege. Was I cursed? What do I do? What do I do now? She's pregnant with a royal blood. We must do something before the king finds out about the pregnancy. Or I stand out to lose my place tomorrow. Time to act. To act, I must do something.
Has anyone heard about it?
No, Your Majesty.
Good. No one should know about it except you and I. Okay?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now, take this. Take it! To terminate the pregnancy so that you will be free. I guess you know the consequences.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay. Drink it. Drink! Alright, give me, let me help you. Don't worry, let me help you. We're fine. Open your mouth. Open! Open. Open. Just go and open your mouth. Nobody will hear about it. And if anybody hears about it, you know the consequences.
Yes, I know.
I'll see you later.
Thank you, Majesty.
How could you, Ezewa? How could you deceive me? It's been over 2 weeks that she took the mixture, but yet the pregnancy was still not aborted. Instead, it kept becoming pronounced.
How can? Habaramiri has never failed me. Habaramiri Hachaluga Wanyo, the morning star, and then the Bejeolo. I call on you. Habaramiri Udumiri Gadiatata. Yes. The baby's spirit is too strong. To get the baby, the mother must die as well.
No, Ezewa. I don't want to have innocent blood on my hands.
What else do you want Habaramiri to do for you?
You can't do anything. But please just spare her life.
There is only one option.
What?
She will live to deliver the baby. But don't worry. She will not know who the father of the baby is. Habaramiri will make her memory of her stay in the palace vanish from her mind. But be warned. She must leave the palace immediately. And she must not set her eyes on the baby from the day she put to bed. Or the spell will be broken.
Listen, why? How can she live without seeing her child? Is it possible?
Habaramiri will make her sight as dark as her mind. She will be made blind. You don't have to bother. Remember, she is only an orphan. No one will ask of her whereabouts.
How can all that be possible?
Don't underestimate the power of Habaramiri. All you have to do is have to make the necessary things available. Asalugo wanyo. Asalugo wanyo. And then I bet you
Yes. I sent her out of the palace as Ezenwaya instructed. And Abaramiri inflicted her with blindness so that she would not see nor know her way to the palace nor share the secret with anyone. I'm sorry.
Today is your execution day. I am sorry.
Do you believe I'm innocent?
Yes, I believe you are innocent.
Please do me a favor.
I am listening.
Let me see my mother before I die.
I will show you that.
I'm sorry for feeding on the king's meal. I tried to stop her, but she insisted. And she never told me that she was pregnant for me. How am I supposed to know that Ikenna here is my son, my blood? Please, wise one, the eye of the gods. Please beg the gods on my behalf.
This is no time for apologies. The true blood of our late king, Mborie's son, must be found. The destiny of Amago lies on his shoulder.
The only child the blind Mbori has is Okoronta, the little boy, who is currently in prison in the palace. As I speak with you now, the king ordered last night that he should be executed this morning.
Obranodi, they must be stopped immediately. Stop them! If he dies, a great calamity awaits Amago. Go and stop them! Go! Stop them!
Baba, I don't know the distance we are going to. We're going too far away to stand and I don't know when we are coming back. No matter the distance, no matter how far it may be, I will still love you. I will still remain in my heart. Please, Mama, take care of yourself.
Okoronta,
Mama,
where is this distant place that they are taking you to that you are not telling me?
Mama, I don't know. Like Ayaya said, I don't know how far it's going to be. I don't know if I'm going to come back. But no matter what, Magnus here is a good man. He will take care of you, Mama.
But I want you to be my only son.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I will do my best. Okoronta, the time is up. Let's go. Let's go. I said, let's go. The time is up.
Yeah, I saw them. They moved towards this side.
Which way did they take?
I saw them. They are pushing it towards the village square.
Village square?
Yes.
Let's hurry.
Rastafari! Emperor Slice Rastafari, leave ye. One day, just one day. Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. One day I will be free, just one day. Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. No lily, nothing spoil, just one day. Some talk say I'm a useless boy. No lily, nothing spoil, just one day. Rastafari, just one day.
Stop! Look, this very boy, the future of this kingdom lies in his hand. Do him no harm.
What do you mean by that? He is needed in the palace now.
By who?
By Ezemo.
He is here by the king's order, and I'm sure you know that.
This is the latest order.
How come we don't know about that? How come?
You don't need to know. This is the latest order. Young man, you don't need to know.
By the powers bestowed on me by Ogugu, the great god of justice of Amagu, I hereby crown you, Okoronta, the Igwe Omeniko, the third of Amagu. Ayanano Bosinano, Egashikayanka, Eke, Olie, Afo, Nkwo.
Why did she tell me my father died before I was born?
She lied to you. The revelation of the gods is always a mystery to mortals. May Ogugu be praised for redeeming us from the clouds of darkness and bringing us today to the light of truth.
My king, I have a confession.
My king, you should permit it.
I lied when I said my lord here tried to abuse me sexually. I was the one that wanted to force him to sleep with me, but he refused. I blackmailed him because I was scared he might tell Ikenna, my husband. Please, my king, I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for everything I did. I did that because of the endless love I have for you. My parents came in between what we felt for each other, but my heart still yearns for you. Please, I am sorry for everything. My elders, everybody should... Leave me alone. Please, you should help me talk to him. My king, I still love you. I love you so much, please.
None of us is worthy to beg the king on your behalf. Like I said earlier, the power of judgment belongs to the king and to him alone.
My king, Bikon, Bikon, you know I love you so much, Bikon. Forgive me. I still love you. It's the work of devil. I didn't want to do it, though.
is my judgment. Akaraka here has been banned from his duties as a member in this cabinet. From henceforth, he ceased to be a member in this cabinet. He should no longer be seen in the gathering of eligible men of Amago. Because he does not deserve to be one. He should henceforth bear responsibility as a father to Ikenna. And as for you, Olama, you and your son hereby evicted from this household. You are no longer members in this cabinet. And you, Ada, just go back to your parents, your selfish and greedy parents, and let posterity judge all of you. Two of you cease to be members in this cabinet.
Hey, become my king, please.
You're leaving this cabinet to repeat.
Hey!
I repeat.
Hey!
I have spoken.
From State CID, I'm here to see the king, Ikenna Ojemba. You're under arrest for illegal drug trafficking.
What the hell are you saying, man? Are you trying to say I do drugs?
You have the right to remain silent, or whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Man, nigga, get the fuck out of here. You don't know what you're talking about, man.
I didn't do anything.
I don't know what, man. Mama, I didn't do it.
You didn't do anything.
My king, I would like to show you something outside.
You didn't do anything.
What? All of us?
Yes.
Omuba.
Okoro Bobo, the guitar boy. No lily, nothing spoiled. Just one day. One day. Some talk say I'll be useless boy. No lily, nothing spoiled. Just one day. One day I will be free. Okoro Bobo will be Okoro man. On the pool junkie boomer. Just one day. One day, nothing spoiled. Yeah, Jah Rastafari. Yeah, Okoro Baba, guitar boy. Yeah, I'll be Okoro Baba, the guitar boy. Yeah, Okoro Baba, the guitar boy. One day, just one day. Sometimes say I'll be useless boy. No lele, nothing spoiled. Just one day. One day. I want never. I want never. Go where the mama. I for fun nata. I better never. Lele. Sometimes say I'll be useless boy. No lele, not this boy. One day. One day. Okoro Baba, I'll be guitar boy. No lele, not this boy. Just one day. One day. Okoro Baba, I'll be guitar boy. No lele, not this boy. Just one day. One day I will be free. Okoro Baba could be Okoro man. On the Kurun Joggy woman. Just one day. One day. Yeah. Jah Rastafari. Apple slice, yeah.
What is it, my queen? Drink for.
my chair. Somebody help me. Somebody
let me carry you.
Chukwumata!
Let me carry you. See, I can carry you. I can carry you. Let me carry you.
Somebody help me. Cannot see.
Walking stick. Mama, can you see now?
I can see you very well, perfectly.
You can see now? How?
See my eyes now. Miracle.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Touch me.
Nah. Opalicha.
Wow.
You're dressed in royalty.
Mama, you can see now?
Yes.
How did it happen?
Miracle. Miracle. Now, do you know I can now remember a lot of things from my past? Honestly. See, I have a lot to tell you. But these people are always following you about the king, the palace guards.
No, Mama. I'm a free man now. The guards are only here to protect me. Yes, Mama.
No.
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, we can go inside. Yes, Mama. You can see. Wow.
Let me read the
Wow. I thank you so much. In fact, I don't know how to thank you enough. I don't know where to start. Your companionship, the beautiful moments we shared together, and the funny names you call me. In fact, you played a wonderful role in my life, right from the very first day we met. I want to say thank you. You deserve the best. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. I will leave, but I know I will always miss you, especially your songs.
Thank you.
Nkechi, my personal assistant, who is now your wife, will take good care of you. Anyway, we will keep in touch, and maybe one day I will visit this kingdom.
Of course. You're free to come anytime. This is still your kingdom. Now that I'm the king, I can as well visit your country so that I will know the culture of your people. I can bring it here to my people. You're welcome any day. You're welcome. Like I said before, you're a good woman.
I'm glad that now you are the king. You're a good man, not a beast like him. I know you will rule your people with peace. So, good luck, Your Highness.
Thank you, my lady. Thank you.
remember, he's my bonbon.
I will.
Hey. I want to give you the last one till we see again.
This one is a special song that I wrote for you, my lady, in anticipation for this day, because now I'm not. If you understand what I mean, I've always known that I'm a religion one. Onye chabiara ije na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu dị be gị o, gịnị ka anyị ga-emere gị? Onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu gọzie gị, aga m ekwuzo na ị ghara ibe ya. Onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. When you get to your country, tell them our stories. Tell them about the beautiful faces you met here. This one is a special song that I wrote for you, my lady, in anticipation for this day, because now I'm not. If you understand what I mean, I've always known that I'm a religion one. Onye chabiara ije na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu dị be gị o, gịnị ka anyị ga-emere gị? Onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu gọzie gị, aga m ekwuzo na ị ghara ibe ya. Onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. When you get to your country, tell them our stories. Tell them about the beautiful faces you met here, the lovely people. Onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu gọzie gị, aga m ekwuzo na ị ghara ibe ya. Onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Enweghị m ego ụwa, enweghị m ọlaọcha, enweghị m ọlaedo. Chukwu gọzie gị, naanị ekele bụ ihe m nwere nje nyenụ gị. Ewo na-alụ n'udo. Chukwu gọzie gị, mmaji pụrụ mmaji, ụkwụ agaghị akpọ gị. O onye chabiara ije na-aba n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. We're so happy to have enjoyed this moment with you. Life is full of mystery. Nobody knows where to turn. Thank you for being a part of this history. Enweghị m ego ụwa, enweghị m ọlaọcha, ife m nwere n'ụwa bụkwa naanị ekele. Onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo, onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. Aga m akpanye gị akịdị, aga m enye gị ụzịza, aga m ebunye gị ede ya na akpa ka gwọrọ agwọ. Ị na-alụzi bunu, ịgwa ha ụtọ esi ebi. Onye chabiara Igbo na-alụ n'udo. You have come to this land to discover. Ewo Nalwenudo. Carry this picture forever. Asim Nalwenudo. Onyo chabyalibo Nalwenudo. Onyo chabyalanibo Nalwenudo. Agame kuzo newe galibe ya. Onyo chabyalibo Nalwenudo. Okorantana boginebu Nalwenudo. Chukwu gozegi Ukwagaya bogi Ikanalunudo Miliagaya mabugi Ikanalunudo Ofogo no gondo Kana koragi. If you know what I mean. Onyo chabyalibo Nalwenudo. I sing in Nalwenudo. The world is such a small place. The globe is such a village. We all interconnect with each other one way or the other. Farewell, my lady, and may your days be long. Goodbye. Okolantana sige Nalwenudo. Rastafari, Emperor Sly Rastafari, leave it. One day, just one day. Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. One day I will be free, just one day. Okoro Baba, a big guitar boy. No lily, not this boy, just one day. Some talk say I'll be useless boy. No lily, not this boy, just one day. Rastafari, just one day.